Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today I have a quick tutorial on slip stitches. Now there are different ways to work a slip stitch and we'll go over a few of them. So here is a beanie that I use slip stitches in. So this is the Lane Slouch beanie, and you see these strands of yarn that go across my work. Those are slip stitches. Okay, so let's get started. So here you have some slip stitches, and then in the back I also have some slip stitches in the back, and I will go over all of them with you. So I'm going to just knit the first 2 stitches, and then when a pattern says to slip a stitch, it's usually purlwise unless it says otherwise. So I'm going to, with my yarn in the front, I'm going to slip 3 stitches. So insert your needle as if to purl, and then just pull it off your left hand needle. Insert your needle as if to purl and just pull it off your left hand needle. So you're basically just moving the stitches from your left hand needle to the right hand needle. Okay, so I'm going to knit 2 more stitches. Now with the yarn in the back, you see these strands are in the back. So with the yarn in the back, I'm going to slip 3 stitches purlwise. So I'm just inserting my needle as if to purl and then just slipping it right off of the needles. Okay. So now I'm going to knit a stitch. You see how I just created a strand of yarn that goes across 3 stitches? So to slip knitwise with the yarn in front, make sure your yarn is in the front and you insert your needle as if to knit. Okay, and what that does is it twists your stitch from the left to the right hand needle. So insert your needle as if to knit and pull it off. Okay, so I'm going to knit this last stitch. So let's take a look. So when you're slipping stitches, you're just bringing the yarn across your work without knitting or purling that strand. And when you're slipping with your yarn in the back, the strands are in the back, if that makes sense. And these are just slipped knitwise. Okay, so let's do that again. So here I'm going to slip my stitches with my yarn in the front. So my working yarn is in the front, and I'm just going to slip 3 stitches purlwise. So moving those 3 stitches from the left to right. Now I'm going to just knit 2 stitches. And then now with my yarn in the back, I'm going to slip 3 stitches with my yarn in the back. So that creates the strand of yarn in the back. So I'm going to knit 1 more stitch. And then I'm going to slip these 2 knitwise with my yarn in the front. So I'm inserting my needle as if to knit and pulling off the stitches. And that's it. That is how you slip your stitches in different scenarios. So these ones here are slipped with the yarn in the back, and the strands in the front were slipped with the yarn in the front. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.